Well, I'm hanging out with a king of the road here. It's actually one of two 68 Shelby GT500 KRs selling here. One a red convertible. This one is my favorite, the Fastback in Highland Green. And this one's received a gorgeous Concours restoration. The only difference, they had a clear coat for that extra pop. But you see that Highland Green metallic paint? Well, that's the same color as the Steve McQueen Bullet car, the saddle interior as well. One of less than 100 KRs in that Highland Green metallic. But of course, Shelby added the beautiful stripes on the outside. And of course, under the hood, that legendary 428 Cobra Jet engine that was underrated, probably over 400 horsepower. The performance unreal. This one also the added luxury of air conditioning. Just an amazing spec.
Up on the block right now, the 1968 Shelby GT500 KR that Tyler Hoover previewed.
1968 saw two GT500s being offered, the regular GT500 and the KR, which was a little different, had the R-Code 428 Ram Air with cold air right here. This one has air conditioning and an automatic transmission. Beautiful restoration.
First $200,000 car, and we're still moving.
The magic of the Shelby name lives on. And maybe this was his masterpiece, at least as far as Mustangs were concerned. The GT500, where KR stands for King of the Road.
King of the road, king of the block, $250,000 for a 1968 Shelby GT500 KR. Big money here on Super Saturday.